In this video, I'm going to introduce you to an updated tool that allows you to put in a URL or web address and extract all the main keyword phrases that occur repeatedly on that web page so you can know what keyword phrases a web page is focused around, and you can duplicate that success, or you could even use the tool to check your own web pages to make sure that the content is focused around what you think it's focused around. This is the tool here on this page here, and it's real simple. You take a web page that you want to analyze. Let's say we'll take this web page here. You put that web address in this text box, click the button, get keywords from URL, and in a matter of a second or two, it's going to reveal a lot of information. Let me do it and show you. First thing that you see is this first top text box contains all the words on that web page, just the words. Everything else is stripped out. It shows you how many words there are to that web page, and then most importantly, you're going to see the number of 5-word long keyword phrases that occur at least 3 times on the web page, 4-word long keyword phrases that occur at least 3 times, 3-word long keyword phrases, and 2-word long keyword phrases. So you're really covering the gamut with tracking down what the main keyword phrase is, and it shows you how many times that keyword phrase repeats. Now, this is a page that doesn't have a heck of a lot of content on it, so I'm going to pick a different page for you. We'll put that in the tool, and you can see the tool's very quick. Again, here's all the text from that web page, everything else stripped out. So it's almost like we're seeing the web page the way Google sees it, minus the links. And here we have all of the 5-word long keyword phrases that occur 3 times or more on this web page are shown here. 4-word long keyword phrases, 3-word long keyword phrases, and 2-word long keyword phrases. And what I would do with this information, if I was you, or what we do with this information ourselves, is we would determine a keyword phrase we want to focus a new piece of content we're going to create around, like say a web page. We take that keyword phrase, put it into Google, and then take the top 3 or so results on the Google results page, on the first page of Google search results. Like, for example, let's say we want to do a blog post on 100% free dating sites. We put that into Google, put the first 3 responses in the tool, this, and this. The other ones up here are ads. Put the first 3 responses in the tool, extract the keyword phrases, the top keyword phrases from all 3 of those top Google results, copy and save these keyword phrases, and then have them as sort of like notes, so when you're creating content, you make sure that you include these keyword phrases in content that you create.